Hello, today I will show you how to change Twitch settings in 7 Days to Die. First, press escape and go into options. From there, go to the very bottom and go into Twitch. In the Twitch options you can log in to your Twitch account, you can allow actions, allow vision effects, and show a Twitch device code. When you are happy, simply press apply or return to defaults and apply. And when you are happy with everything, simply go back once again and you are right back in the game. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.